got a free offer for you for real estate agents. We are looking for real estate agents so that we can provide some free promotional services for you. Free, no cost, no expectations. We would like to help you become a rock star in your community. So we're looking for real estate agents where we can provide you with your marketing photos for you, your brand. For example, free headshots, free branding photos, so like lifestyle photos where you want to go out and do photos around your community or maybe in a certain type of property that you want to be known for. We want to help you with those lifestyle branding photos and your headshots. You need multiple headshots for different platforms, for different scenarios. We want to help you with that for free. No cost. Did I say free? We'd also like to help you with some promotional videos for you, your brand, like an intro video for your YouTube channel. If you're getting into and you need to do this and you need help with YouTube, you need an intro loop, you need an outro loop. We will help you with that so that you have a brand when your video starts and then a brand awareness when your video ends. So if you're looking for some help in building your brand and you want to be a rock star in your community, we can help you with that. Just let us know. And we have a blog and some information. We're calling it the Rockstar Promotion. It's totally free. We will help you.